Conducting deep research into a new topic can be a lot of work. You usually end up with lots of open tabs, and a lot of copying and pasting to bring information together from all your sources, and then the complex task of synthesizing it all into a report that makes sense. So let's try deep research. Say I'm doing a unit of work on space, and I'd really like to know more about the new Verifies Deep Space Telescope in Chile. I'll prompt Gemini to tell me more about it, making sure I enable the deep research option from the tool selector. It will suggest a research plan, and if you're okay with it, just click Start Research. It can take several minutes to scour the web, check facts and cite sources, and then provide you with a detailed and comprehensive report. Amazing, right? Since these reports can be quite detailed, you'll find a navigation menu at the top to browse through the content or jump straight to specific chapters. If you need to refine the content further, you can share or export it to a Google Doc with one click. At the end of the report, you'll find a complete list of all the resources used to create it, and even the thinking process Gemini used to put it together. This can be super helpful for students to really see how to go about researching deeply into a topic. Finally, check out the Create button on the top right. You can use this to create additional resources based on your deep research project, turning it into a web page, an infographic, a quiz, flashcards, or even a podcast-like audio overview. Explore the options here. It's a fantastic way to easily create some really amazing resources for your students. So that's Gemini Deep Research. Give it a try with something you'd really like to know more about.